Okay, so here we go. Ideas and inspiration. New year for us to utilize this year. We need to have ideas and inspiration and the ability to find things that make us vibrate at a higher level and feel like we are doing something with our life that is fun or good or serving or whatever it is. Everyone's different. So let's just run that energetic central meridian. Brain, heart. Okay, brain. Okay, heart. What are you going to give us? Okay, I am full of ideas and inspiration. I am full of ideas and inspiration. Okay, escape, submission, freeze. So the brain wanting to run away rather than having to come up with ideas and inspiration. Escape, submission, freeze. When our frontal cortex isn't up and running, it's hard to come up with ideas and solutions and problem solve. Just wants to keep doing the same thing we've done over and over and over again because it's so much easier. I am full of ideas and inspiration. Each day brings me new opportunity to find new inspirations so that I may flourish. Okay. Got to tweak the Wernicke's area just behind the ears. So Wernicke's is the thoughts behind the words, which is sort of interesting. Has there ever been a time when you were going to throw out an idea and you felt it was going to be put down, or you felt you weren't going to be heard? Because the Wernicke's, why would we speak the words if our thoughts weren't going to be validated? I'm excited by the prospect of implementing my ideas into my life so that I may pursue my destiny. I am excited by the prospect of implementing my ideas into my life so that I may pursue my destiny. Okay, now there's an auditory integration point. So that's to do with what you're hearing, what you're saying to yourself. So it's both the words and it's escape, submission, freeze again, wanting to run away. So not wanting to put it out there when you have an idea, not wanting, or maybe you're giving yourself a hard time when you come up with ideas and inspiration. What if I say it and I get put down? What if I say it and people laugh at me? What if I say it and people get angry with me? Doesn't make you want to jump on in, boots and all, does it? I am excited by the prospect of implementing my ideas into my life so that I may pursue my destiny. Okay, so there's a trust issue shutting down the corpus callosum. Okay, that's linked in with an old rage, anger, frustration pathway. So trust really is one of those things that obviously everyone doesn't deserve to be trusted. We know that. But it's more about moving forward in life with that open heart, open mind, so that when you're open to the good that may come, you will feel it when we're walking through life with that barrier that stops us from trusting things. We don't even see the good and the opportunities and the ideas and the inspiration if they were right in front of us. Because the negative energy, you know, we've spoken about that dense energy, the anger, the frustration, the blame, the guilt, the shame, all of those are really dense, lower emotions. They lower our vibration. Oh, okay, we need a flower essence at this point. So Southern Cross is for guilt. Southern Cross is for that guilt and that why me energy. It's almost like a victim energy. So rather than empowering ourselves, and once again, what ideas and inspiration do you have for empowering yourself? What is it that you're frightened of at the moment that you're not able to move through life navigating because of the poor me victim mentality? Six drops, fairly decent too. Okay, so that's the trust is cleared. Let's go have a look. Okay, there's a lack of motivation due to internal negativity in the hippocampus. And the hippocampus, it's the one that shrinks as we get older, and so when the hippocampus is really shrunk, that's when we have those symptoms of dementia and Alzheimer's. But the hippocampus is also memory centers, so we store things like names and faces and how to do things, how to do maths, how to do what is a fridge, what is an iron, what is a book, what are the words in the book, what do the words mean. So our hippocampuses are really busy little beavers. So when we're under prolonged stress, so imagine the last 2 years, the hippocampuses can shrink, and then we need at least 21 days of stress-free time to allow our hippocampuses to regroup and revitalize again. I hope in your world you've had more than 21 days to regroup in the last 2 years. I can't imagine it, but I hope you have. Okay. All solutions appear quickly and easily to me. All solutions appear quickly and easily to me. Base chakra blown. Okay. So when we're not finding solutions and it takes us into that fight, flight, freeze, the base chakra is about feeling safe and grounded and secure. I feel safe and grounded and secure in my life. I feel safe and grounded and secure with my health. I feel safe and grounded and secure in my family. I feel safe and grounded and secure in my relationships. Okay. All ideas appear to me quickly, easily, and with clarity. All ideas appear to me quickly, easily, and with clarity. That one's solar plexus energy. So that's about that center of self, that center of self-worth, self-belief, self-love. So when we're feeling dominated, when we're feeling like we're subservient, when we are feeling like we do not have control of our own life, the solar plexus starts to be challenged. And then we lose our confidence in our ability to move forward. We lose our confidence in our ability to think and come up with solutions and ideas. Because what's the point of having solutions and ideas if someone's going to tell us it's not good enough, or we're not worthy, or we're not allowed to? I walk the path of my own inspirations. I walk the path of my own inspirations. I walk the path of my own inspirations. Okay. I walk the path of my own inspirations. We need another flower essence. So it's Little Flannel Flower. It's an Australian Bushflower essence, and it is it's to do with when you need that energetic hug. It's usually for people who have had something tough go on in their life, when they needed that hug and they weren't able to ask for it, when they needed that hug and they weren't able to feel it even if it was given, when they need that hug and it wasn't offered. So Little Flannel Flower is that energetic hug in a bottle. clear enough to receive new ideas. I am clear enough to receive new ideas. I am open enough to receive new ideas. I choose to receive new ideas. My life is ideal in every way. My life is ideal in every way. My life is ideal in every way. Okay, we just need to finish off with the reticular activating circuit. Okay, so increasing that serotonin and calming the vigilance. So when we are stressed, our conscious pathways don't work in our brain very well. So cortisol shuts down our short-term memory, and cortisol is one of the stress hormones that goes up fastest when we're under stress, under pressure. So this just is calming that vigilance, calming that cortisol, calming that stress, and increasing the serotonin. I calm down easily in stressful situations. I calm down easily after stressful situations. I choose to live a calm and peaceful life. I choose to live a calm and peaceful life. I choose to live a calm and peaceful life. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, beautiful people. I'll see you again soon, and hope you're all having a fabulous start to 2022. Take care. Oh, if you didn't see the Joe Rogan interviews in the last few days, check it out. Okay, have a good one.